Welcome to our latest video, where we'll be taking an in-depth look at the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. This phone is expected to be the flagship device in Samsung's Galaxy S series, and it promises to be a game-changer in the world of smartphones. From its stunning design to its cutting-edge specifications, the S23 Ultra is sure to impress. Design and build. Let's start with the design and build of the S23 Ultra. From the leaks and rumors we've seen so far, it's clear that Samsung has put a lot of thought into the phone's aesthetics. The device is expected to feature a sleek and modern design, with a glass back and metal frame. It's also rumored to have a super slim bezel and a punch-hole design camera. Display. One of the standout features of the S23 Ultra is its display. The phone is rumored to have a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X screen with a resolution of 3200 by 1440 pixels. It's also expected to have a high refresh rate of 120 Hz, which will make scrolling and gaming feel incredibly smooth. Additionally, it will have an in-display fingerprint scanner which is fast and secure. Camera. The camera system on the S23 Ultra is expected to be one of the best on the market. The phone is rumored to have a quad camera setup on the back, with a 200MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide sensor, a 64MP telephoto sensor, and a 3D time-of-flight sensor. It's also expected to have 8K video recording capabilities, as well as advanced features like optical zoom and optical image stabilization. Performance. Under the hood, the S23 Ultra is expected to be a powerhouse. It's rumored to have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, 12GB of RAM, and up to 1TB of internal storage. It's also expected to have a large 5000 mAh battery with fast charging and wireless charging capabilities. It will also have 5G connectivity, which will provide fast data transfer and streaming. Software. The S23 Ultra is expected to run on Samsung's latest version of their own skin on top of Android 13, which offers a host of new features and customization options. It will also have Samsung's Bixby voice assistant, and will be compatible with Samsung's DeX desktop interface.